In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code on Jotform in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. QR codes are incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of purposes, from sharing your form link easily to providing quick access to your website or event details. Jotform makes the creation of these handy little squares easy and user-friendly. So, if you've ever been curious about generating your own QR code for your forms, you're in the right place. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the official website of Jotform. Simply type Jotform into your search engine or enter www.jotform.com directly into your browser. Jotform is a robust online form builder that gives you the ability to create professional forms for any need. Once you're on the Jotform homepage, the next thing to do is log into your account. Look for the login button likely situated at the top right corner of the page and click on it. Jotform offers multiple ways to log in, including using your Google account or other platforms you may have connected your Jotform account with. This flexibility ensures that accessing your Jotform dashboard is a breeze, no matter how you choose to log in. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your Jotform dashboard. Here, click on My Forms. This will take you to a page where all your forms are listed. If you've got a knack for organization, you'll appreciate how easy Jotform makes it to keep track of all your creations. Now, find the form you want to generate a QR code for. Once you've located it, hover over the form and click on Edit Form. This action will take you directly into the form's editing page, a space where creativity meets functionality. Here you can make any necessary adjustments to your form, ensuring it's perfect before sharing it with the wider world. After you've tweaked your form to perfection, or if it was ready to go from the start, it's time to click on Publish at the top of the page. This is your command center for all things sharing and distribution, a critical step in getting your form out there. Look for the QR icon, which is your gateway to creating that all-important QR code. Clicking on this icon will bring up your QR code options. Jotform simplifies this process, making the creation of a QR code as easy as pie. At this stage, you have a couple of choices. You can either copy codes, which copies the QR code to your clipboard and allows you to paste it wherever you like, or you can choose to download. Downloading the QR code saves it directly to your device, enabling you to use it in print materials or share it through other offline methods. Both options provide you with a quick, efficient way to distribute your form to your audience, leveraging the power and convenience of QR technology. And there you have it, creating a QR code for your Jotform form really is that simple. Whether you're looking to share a survey, sign-up sheet, or any other type of form, Jotform's QR code generator helps you do it in a few easy steps. As a final tip, remember that the placement of your QR code can significantly impact its effectiveness. Think about where your audience is most likely to see and scan it. Whether it's on a flyer, at a conference booth, or in an email, positioning is key. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on creating a QR code with Jotform. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I encourage you to explore the many other features that Jotform has to offer. Happy form building, and see you in the next video.